Welcome to Inspire tutorial. This is Yasin and today's topic is atoms and molecules from class 9. So in this we are going to learn about mole concept and some numericals. Here 1 mole represents a number. That means 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23. It is just like when we say 1 dozen, so that equals to 12, or 1 pair is equals to 2 in number. Similarly, when we say 1 mole, this 1 mole represents this number, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. If you take 1 mole of a substance, that means you're talking about 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles of that substance. So for example, if you are taking 1 mole of a substance X, 1 mole of X, substance X is taken, then you're talking about 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles of that substance X. For example, if I say 1 mole of oxygen atoms, 1 mole of oxygen atoms, that means I'm talking about 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen. If I say 1 mole of oxygen molecules, 1 mole of oxygen molecules, then that equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen, right? So here 1 mole represents a number, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23, and this number is called Avogadro number. This number is called Avogadro number, and this is represented with N0. And if you take 1 mole of a substance X, then the mass of that 1 mole of that substance X will be equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass in grams. Okay, see, for example, if I take 1 mole of oxygen atoms, of course 1 mole of oxygen atoms is nothing but 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen. Now the mass of these many atoms of oxygen, or 1 mole of oxygen atoms, will be equal to its atomic mass. You're talking about oxygen atoms, so we will take atomic mass. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? The atomic mass of oxygen is 16 units. Okay, so here the 1 mole of oxygen atoms will have mass of 16 grams. Okay, you will take atomic mass in grams. So here it will be 16 grams of oxygen atoms will be equal to 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Similarly, if you take 1 mole of oxygen molecules, 1 mole of oxygen molecules, of course that is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen. Okay, and its mass will be equal to, so now you are talking about molecules, so this will be molecular mass. You have to take molecular mass, And what is the molecular mass of oxygen? So we know that oxygen molecule is O2 and each oxygen is 16 units. The mass of each oxygen is 16 units. So now it is O2. So then the molecular mass of oxygen will be 32 and you have to take this in grams. So that means if you take 1 mole of oxygen molecule, that means 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen, then the weight of these many particles will be 32 grams. Okay, so we can write a simple formula using this. Okay, so 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. If you are talking about atoms, you will take atoms or molecules. If you are talking about atoms, you will take atoms, or if you are talking about molecules, you will take molecules, which equals to gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. Okay, so here this is the relation between 1 mole and number of particles and the mass of that substance. Okay, you are taking atomic weight in grams, so that is called gram atomic weight, and you are taking molecular weight also in grams, that will be gram molecular weight. And the weight of a substance of 1 mole is called molar mass. Okay, so it can be gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. So the mass of or the weight of a substance of 1 mole is called molar mass. Okay, so this is the relation between mole, number of particles, and molar mass. Let us see some examples. Example 1. Calculate the number of particles present in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, since you are talking about carbon dioxide, which is a compound, so it will contain molecules. So that means you need to you have to calculate the number of molecules present in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so now it is irrespective of the substance. Okay, so here you have to find number of particles in 2 moles. Okay, so solution will be, so we know that 1 mole of a substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Now here it is carbon dioxide, so that will be molecules. Okay, so 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be having 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Now we are going to find how many particles or how many molecules will be present in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. So it is very easy. So when it is 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 2 moles will be 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, so these many molecules you will have. You can simplify this, that is 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules. Example 2. Find the mass of 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so you are going to find the mass of 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, as I told you already, the mass of 1 mole of a substance will be equal to its gram molecular weight. So again we are taking carbon dioxide, which will contain molecules, so you need to take gram molecular weight. Okay, so you need to find the gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide, and the atomic weight of carbon is 12 unit and that of oxygen is 16 units. Okay, so from this we can find gram molecular weight. So the gram molecular weight, or we'll find molecular weight here. So molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide. So how many carbons are there? One carbon is there, so 12 units plus 2 oxygens, and each oxygen is 16 units. So 2 into 16, so which will be 44 units. So this is 44 units, so the gram molecular weight will be 44 grams. Okay, so this is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So this is equals to 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be 44 grams, because 1 mole of a substance equals to its gram molecular weight. So for carbon dioxide it is 44 grams. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be 44 grams. Now you have to find for 2 moles. So if it is 2 moles of carbon dioxide, okay, 1 mole is 44 grams, then 2 moles will be 2 into 44 grams, that is 88 grams. So we can use this formula or this equation for this numericals based on mole concept. So let's see an example. Example 3. Find the number of moles present in 64 grams of oxygen gas, and the atomic weight of oxygen is given as 16 units. Okay, so you are talking about oxygen gas. That means oxygen gas will have molecules. So that means you are talking about the molecules present in oxygen gas. So oxygen is always a diatomic molecule. So oxygen gas contains molecules. So here the relation is between number of moles and 64 grams. That means this is mass. You need to find number of moles and mass is given. Okay. So from here, number of moles equals to mass, means the given mass, divided by molar mass. Okay, so number of moles you need to find, and mass, that is 64 grams, is given, and you need to find the molar mass. Okay, so molar mass for oxygen gas is nothing but it is gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight, right? So here oxygen molecule has 2 oxygen atoms, and each oxygen atom is 16 units. So it will be 2 into 16, that is 32 units. So the gram molecular weight of oxygen will be 32 grams. We will take in grams, that is molar mass. This gram molecular weight is nothing but molar mass. Okay, so now we'll substitute the values in the formula. So you need to find the number of moles. So number of moles equals to mass is 64 grams divided by molar mass or gram molecular weight, that is 32. Sorry, that is 32. So that means 32 in 64 2 times. So we will get 2. So the number of moles will be 2. That means you are taking 2 moles of oxygen, which equals to 64 grams. Let's see another example. Example 4. Calculate the number of molecules present in 3.2 grams of sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, this is the question, and the atomic weights are given like this. The atomic weight of sulfur is 32 units and oxygen is 16 units. So here the relation is between number of molecules and 33.2 grams. That means this is mass and this is number of molecules. Here the relation between mass and number of molecules is this one. So you will take this formula, that is mass divided by molar mass equal to number of particles divided by, that is Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into or 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now, so mass is given, that is 3.2 grams, and molar mass you have to find from the formula of sulfur dioxide. The formula of sulfur dioxide is SO2, and sulfur atom is 32 units, so 32 units plus each oxygen is 16 units, and we have two oxygens, so 2 into 16, so 2 into 16 units, so there will be 32 plus 32 units, which equals to 64 units. So when you convert this into molar mass or gram molecular weight, that will be 64 grams, nothing but that is the molar mass. Okay, molar mass of sulfur dioxide is 64 grams. And so you are going to substitute in this. So you need to find number of particles. So from this equation, number of particles, or we are talking about sulfur dioxide, so it will contain molecules. So we will find number of molecules equal to, so from this we can write mass by molar mass into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now we substitute the values over here. What is the mass given? The mass given is 3.2 divided by molar mass is 64 grams into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. So we can cancel this. This is 3.2 and this is 64. So this will be 32 in this 0.1 and in this 2 times. Okay, so if you multiply this, you will get this answer, 0.1 by 2, that will be 0.05 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So these many molecules are present in 3.2 grams of sulfur dioxide. So this is how we can calculate the numericals given in the mole concept. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you.